Welcome to Mr. Math Monster! The most common form of a linear equation is y equals mx plus c. This is called the gradient-intercept form, m being the gradient and c being the y-intercept. The equation can be found using both a graph and a table.
An example. To find the equation, first we find the difference between each term. The difference between term 0 and 1 is 4, as 9 minus 5 is 4. The difference between term 1 and 2 is also 4, as 13 minus 9 is 4. This helps us determine the type of function, which in this case is linear. As we have calculated before, the difference between each term is 4, which is the gradient m, giving us y equals 4x plus c. Then we plug any term into this equation to find out c. Let's plug x equals 0 into this equation. By solving this equation, we find that c is equal to 5. This gives us the equation y equals 4x plus 5. To double check, we can plug another pair of values into this equation. Let's plug in x equals to 2. When x is 2 and the y is 13, 13 equals 4 times 2 plus 5. This verifies the equation.
To find the gradient m, we use rise over run. The rise is 4 and run is 1, which gives us 4 as the gradient. Then the y-intercept, which is c, is 5. Now we know that m is 4 and c is 5. Finally, we get the equation y equals 4x plus 5. This other form of linear equation is used for finding the linear equation from two given points and the gradient. This second form of linear equation is called the point gradient form. The formula for this is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. This form is useful for finding out the equation when the y-intercept is not obvious.
Let's practice. With this example, we are given the 2 points, 1, 9 and 3, 17. For this problem, we need to first find the gradient, which is 4. After finding the gradient, we simply have to insert any point of the graph into the equation as x1 and y1. Let's use the point 1, 9. 1 as x1 and 9 as y1. This then gives us the equation y minus 9 times 4 brackets x minus 1 brackets. If we expand this equation, we can see that this equation turns to y equals 4x plus 5, which is the same as the previous question.
Thanks for listening to part 1 of our Term 3 revision series.
Tune in next time to learn all about quadratic equations.
Mr. Math Monster, out.